Join me in today's tapping meditation as we rewire your mind into believing its power and capability of healing your body. Begin by finding a comfortable place to either sit or lay down, closing your eyes, bringing one hand on your chest and the other on your lower belly. Taking a deep breath in through your nose, pulling it all the way down to your belly, and exhaling slowly out through your mouth. Doing that again, inhaling through the nose, pulling it all the way to the belly, holding for 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time, inhaling through the nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holding for 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Focus on your body. Feeling grounded into your bed or wherever you're sitting. Feeling the weight of your body. Feeling your spine tall and straight. And opening up the crown of your head towards the heavens. Knowing that you are completely safe in this moment. That it's safe to completely relax and let go. And allow the words that I say to fully sink in. Allowing these words to become your new thoughts, beliefs. Let's begin. Bringing awareness to your tapping points and repeating after me in your head. Starting on the inner eye, I speak these words as a reminder to my body. Outer eye, and feel my body respond to my voice. Under eye, my body is powerful and knows how to naturally heal itself. Upper lip, everything works in perfect harmony. Chin, every muscle. Collarbone, every organ. Side of the body, every cell. Top of the head, work together as a team to keep me healthy. Inner eye, my body is strong and powerful. Outer eye, and activates its healing energy. Under eye, to easily and effortlessly heal any wounds. Upper lip, cure any illnesses. Chin, and repair any damage I may have received in the past. Collarbone, my body knows how to naturally heal itself. Side of the body, and I watch in amazement. Top of the head, as it keeps me healthy and safe. Inner eye, I am grateful for my body. Outer eye, I am grateful for healing. Under eye, for feeling my health improve each day. Upper lip becoming stronger and more vibrant than the day before. Chin, I move through each day with ease. Collarbone, my joints move with fluidity. Side of the body, as if someone poured hot honey through every inch of me. Top of the head, smoothly moving through my day, pain-free. Inner eye, I'm able to move, bend, and walk. Outer eye, do as I wish with contentment and grace. Under eye, my body happily carries me where I need to go. Upper lip, I wake up feeling refreshed and restored. Chin, naturally flowing with abundance of energy. Collarbone, I feel young, youthful, and vibrant in my body. Side of the body, and every day my energy grows. Top of the head, every cell vibrating with more energy than the day before. Inner eye, I am grateful for my ever-improving health. Outer eye, my body producing new healthy cells every minute of the day. Under eye, continuously replacing and washing away what no longer serves me. Upper lip, proving to me my body is strong. Chin, incapable of healing itself from anything. Collarbone, I am grateful for the health and vitality coursing through my body. Side of the body, I am grateful for my ever-improving health. Top of the head, I am grateful for my strong, resilient, powerful body, mind, and spirit. With your eyes remaining closed, I want you to visualize a stream of light flowing in through the crown of your head. This is a healing light, and as it passes through your body, it removes any illness, any pain, washes it away, and replaces it with healthy, healing energy. Flowing in through the top of your head, encompassing your scalp, flowing in through the skull, your forehead and eyes, down to your lips, your throat, and ears, all now glowing in this healing light. Feeling the tissue warm up as it makes its way down to your chest, your lungs and heart, along your shoulders, down your arms and fingers, flowing down the core of your body, through every internal organ, weaving in and out like a stream of healing water. Feeling these areas heat up as they wash out any illness that remains. Coming down your legs, your knees, your calves, all the way to your feet and to each one of your toes. Your body now glowing and radiating in this healing light. There is a certain area of your body you've been struggling with that's been bringing you pain or discomfort. I want you to focus on that area just a little longer. Channel that light to it and allow it to grow stronger and brighter, washing away whatever is no longer serving you. You can use your breath to allow this light to grow stronger, breathing in through your nose and allowing it to expand and grow brighter like the sun. As you exhale, releasing any blocks, stagnation, illness, or pain that remains in your body. Do this a few times until your body is completely covered in this golden light. Breathing in and letting out. Breathing in and letting it out. One more time, breathing in, again focusing on the area of your concern, and exhaling anything that remains. Sit here in this moment as your body radiates in this healing light, doing what it's meant to do. Naturally heal, easily heal, giving it time to reset, restore, so it can do what it's supposed to do. And repeating one more time, I am grateful for my health, for this healing energy coursing through my body, allowing me to grow strong, resilient, and healthy, bringing back my vitality, my strength, because every day, every second, I grow stronger and healthier. I am grateful for my ever-improving health. This tapping meditation is best done if done consistently, when you are in a state of rest and relaxation before bed or first thing in the morning. I hope it brings you everything you need, sending you lots of love and light